Navigating the Labyrinth of Logic, Unraveling Reification. Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of our series on English language learning. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of critical thinking and logical fallacies. Our focus will be on a fallacy you might not have heard of but is surprisingly common: reification. This concept is intriguing, often subtle, but understanding it can drastically enhance your debating and discussion skills. So, let's get started. Reification, often known as the fallacy of misplaced concreteness, happens when we treat an abstract belief or hypothetical construct as if it were a concrete, physical entity. In essence, it's when we attribute reality to something that isn't real or is merely an idea. For example, suppose you say, "Fear can paralyze you." Now, fear itself can't physically paralyze you. It's a feeling or a psychological state. We've reified the abstract concept of fear by treating it as an entity that can carry out an action. Now that we understand what reification is, let's talk about how you can identify it in debates and discussions. The key to spotting this fallacy lies in being mindful of when an abstract concept is being discussed as if it has physical properties or abilities. For instance, when someone says, "The economy doesn't care about individual workers," we know economies don't have feelings or thoughts. The speaker is attributing human qualities to an abstract concept, thus committing the fallacy of reification. While reification can sometimes make a point more compelling or easier to understand, it's essential to remember that it's still a logical fallacy. Using it can lead to misunderstandings or oversimplifications. For example, saying, "Society isn't doing enough to help the less fortunate," oversimplifies the many facets of society and the individuals within it, who may be working hard to assist those in need. By being aware of reification, you can challenge these oversimplifications and foster more nuanced discussions. We've come to the end of our exploration of the logical fallacy of reification. Remember, it's when we treat an abstract concept as a physical reality. Spotting it involves being keen on when ideas are given physical attributes or abilities. While it can make a point more vivid or relatable, it can also lead to oversimplifications. We hope this video has helped you understand this interesting concept, and you're now better equipped to identify and tackle it in your debates and discussions. Happy thinking, and see you in our next video.